Hi, do you want to learn how to cook all kinds of Nigerian recipes? I am Chichi Dibesi from Anambra State, Nigeria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm passionate about cooking and I love good food. On my channel, I'll be posting videos on how to cook all kinds of Nigerian delicacies like egusi soup, oha soup, bitter leaf soup, and many more. I'll be posting videos twice in a week. We are going to learn how to cook all kinds of Nigerian delicacies from my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for new content and comment below to introduce yourself to the family. Thank you.